And we're back. Alright, let's see. Day 3. Let's see how long I'll have discipline to keep making this. I'll probably like... I can see myself going like... Yesterday I went 2 wins. I can see myself going like 2 wins again, and then I'll go 2 wins and 2 wins. And then I kind of realize that I suck at this game, and then I stop. I can see that happening. For sure. This is kind of shitty. I should have taken the fish. I don't know why I did that. I do not know why I did that. Do not ask. I don't know. I don't know, man. I do not know. Why did I do that? Why did I not buy the fish? I don't know. No. I just didn't. I should have. I was pissed off because there was no pair. You know? That's how bad I am. Alright, upside down astronauts. That kind of makes sense. No? Kind of makes sense? Because you're in space, floating. Alright. So last game, I kind of like I did a review. So I kind of like I came into like kind of realization that you should level up a unit when you know you can, and you can buy the unit, like it's fine to save for like a higher tier if you're in like a good spot, but I think it's almost always better to just play for that round, if you feel me. Like it's usually it's not the right play to like play ahead. Usually. So, yep. That's kind of what I realized. I think Cupcake makes the most sense here. I could also pill, but yeah, I could pill. And then I could roll. So there's 3 options here. I usually dislike the Cupcake because in long term it just helps this turn, which is not bad. Like I just said, you should play for the turn you're in. But I'm also not I'm not being greedy right now with leveling and shit. I think this is kind of strong. So I think I'd rather roll and look for pairs for next turn instead of the Cupcake. Now, if I lose and it's a close one, then, shit happens. Life is life. Alright. So it paid off. This was definitely now better than the Cupcake. Yeah, we'll just do this. Cool. I mean, that was kind of like turn, but everything looks good. Alright, nice. The Batcher didn't have honey. Would have been tragic if he had honey. He did not. Okay, so do we want to level here? I think first we pill. No, what are you doing, man? You just lost the game. The reason, because I want the starfish, and then I get the level up from here. Cool. And now I kind of need the fish to level 3, I think. Because I will get this. The question is, what do I sell? I think I sell the starfish. No, I think this. Difference front to back plus 1 attack. Yeah, I think it's time to part with this. It's a strong unit, but I can see I will still need to do buy sells for sure. I think it's the right play. I do waste the level up. Or do I just garlic? But the thing is, I do not have like a future with this comp. No. I think this is right. We can, however, move this and this here, and nope. 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 Like this. I'm just trying to be careful because I think this turn is really easy to rock up. This turn is, and this turn is gonna be important. Like, you know, win wise, how many wins I'll get in the end. So the options are pretty much that I sell this. I think it's still correct, and then I buy Bison, and that kind of pays for the late game. And then I roll once, or I could garlic. That's option. Freeze the Bison. But what do I garlic? Like, there's, I guess the fish, because I kind of want to. I want the fish to stick with this. Uh, all right, fine, fine. Let's do this. Fine. Let's do this play. I don't know if this is correct. This might have been the better one, but whatever. We made our choice. Yeah, I was gonna lose that one regardless, it looks like. Okay, well. So I think now it's time. I don't want to waste the level ups. This is kind of difficult because I don't want to sell the fish. Usually I would have sold the fish, but I'm gonna go Bison, so I want level 3. I could sell this. Gain plus 50%. Okay. I don't know. I'm tired of thinking, you know? I'm just not gonna think. Fuck it. Yeah, you can totally see that I stopped thinking. I should have bought this. God damn it. Okay, whatever. Okay. Alright. It's still fine, I think. Yeah, we definitely want this. Do want this, I think. Yeah. I don't think pear is like worth freezing. I really need the level 3. So, yeah. I might have like baited myself again on the Bison. I probably did. So I will do this. I think it's better right now. So I will sell this. Did not get lucky with that. Do this. I think garlic is good this week because there's no melon. So this is, you know, pretty decent. But, do I do it now? I think I'm just gonna go for Squad Andy right now. I'll do this. I'm probably not gonna keep the starfish. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see what we get from the level up. If this has a level 3 friend, no. I'm trying. I'm still not quite there. I have 2 health. Ah, man. Man. Oh man, I really want to take this, but I mean, I'm being so optimistic. Optimistic, optimistic. I really need this. Yeah, I think I can. I really can. I would like this. Ah, fuck it. Yeah, I don't. Oh, nice. Okay, we need chocolate or one more fish. Oh my god, draw or win would be really nice here. Like really, really nice. Okay, good. That is very important. Very important. I think I have to sell the starfish now. I'm still living the hammerhead dream. I'm still living it. I think fuck the sushi. So this will go over here. I think it has to be here. Fish. Chocolate fish. Okay. Next turn. Okay. At least we got there. At least we got there. You know? At least we got there. We're not gonna lose this turn because I have 2 health. So at least we got there. You know? You know? You know? Yeah, he had like a better bison, basically. He just had like better idea than better comp than I did. We're going, English is hard. Stop making me explain. Okay, we got it. How do we not lose here? Oh, I should have. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I was just so happy that I got it. Um, what can I get for like the last unit? Is there anything that makes sense? It's kind of ironic that I think I'm gonna lose here, so I'm not gonna benefit from the hammerhead like at all. So that's kind of funny. It's not really funny, but it's kind of funny. Hmm. I don't think I have anything that works. Can one hit the mushroom come back? Yeah, it doesn't really work. Guess I can give this to like hammerhead. So this is gonna buff itself. So that's gonna be my strongest. It's not really strong though. I am kind of boned. Please. Okay, we take those. We take those. Profit. The hammerhead profit. It's insane. Okay. Before attack. So it kind of needs to survive. Hmm. I think we're just gonna roll with this. It's kind of bad. Hmm. Does this work? Does the white tiger work with... If this says end turn, start of battle. No, it doesn't work then. Okay, good. Good. I just, they needed to be sure. Do I just pivot out of the shark now? Why did I put the tomato if I'm gonna, Am I dumb? Yes. Very, very dumb. Oh my god. Everything's going Millhouse. I go Croc. Oh my god. Oh my god. Terrible. Just terrible. Just absolutely terrible. Why do I suck at this game? Why though? Why though? Why though? So my plan is I'll hopefully survive this turn. I'm not that weak for like, 2 wins. It is turn 12. But still, I have 2 wins. I should survive this. Copium. But still. So my plan is I'll survive one more turn, I'll cash in from the shark, and then I'll pivot. It's gonna work. Cope. Come on, I can't go 2 wins. Alright. I feel like I find myself from this spot a lot. A lot. It's not good. It is not good. Microbe. Faint make all. Nah, I don't. Nah, just nah. So we buy this. Sell. I kind of like Croc, but I don't know if I want yet. The cucumbers are gonna like expire a little bit. I think I'm like the cheese. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. I can't really do this anymore. I mean, I guess I could do it like boar. I could do croc that, like sell this, so then it kind of makes sense, I think. Are we good? Are we good though? I don't like that last unit. You know, it could have been there. It was close. Next turn, I would have sold the pig or the boar. I would have taken the tiger. The tiger would have procced the crocodile once. I would have gotten the chocolate on the crocodile. And then that next turn from that, I would have gotten level 2 crocodile. And shit would have gone like absolutely insane. You know? It's unfortunate. I was like 8th health too far. Unlucky. Alright. Well, that's that. Yeah, I did better than yesterday. Yesterday I did 2 wins. Now I did 3 wins. So, profit. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to like think what turns I might have misplayed. There was like definitely misplays every time, but it's like you kind of have to decide a direct. Oh yeah. Now I know the mistake. I went with the hammerhead. That was definitely not good. Oh yeah. No, it's coming back. Okay. Maybe hammerhead was not the choice. I wanted to be kind of memey, but also it was kind of mistake to go for the bison. I mean, I think the bison was in the end okay. It was a little late. Maybe I should like not go it if I don't have a level 3 already. It took a lot of time to get that going, but I think it was still fine. I think the biggest nail on the coffin was definitely the hammerhead. That was not good. And then I wasted like tomato on it. I think I wasted like at least 2 foods, like on the boar and the shark. So, it happens. It happens. Peace. Oh yeah, that's not there.